Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man, your go-to channel for everything commercial cleaning. Today, we're diving into something that will revolutionize your cleaning game and, more importantly, save you hours of work. That's right. We're discussing the must-have tools for efficient commercial cleaning operations. Whether you're new to the business or have been in the game for years, having the right tools in your arsenal can make all the difference between a job that's just okay and a top-notch one. So, please grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get into the tools that will make your cleaning life much easier. First up on our list is the industrial-grade vacuum cleaner. You might be thinking, Dan, a vacuum cleaner is a vacuum cleaner. But let me tell you, when you're dealing with commercial spaces, not all vacuums are created equal. It would help if you had a vacuum that can handle large areas, different types of flooring, and heavy foot traffic. Look for models with HEPA filters that trap even the tiniest dust particles because nothing says professional like clean air. These vacuums also come with powerful suction and wide cleaning paths, meaning you can cover more ground in less time. Trust me, once you start using one of these, you'll wonder how you manage without it. Next, let's talk about a real game changer. The automatic floor scrubber. This tool is necessary to clean large areas like office lobbies, shopping malls, or warehouses. What's so great about it? It scrubs, washes, and dries the floor in one go. No more mopping and waiting for the floors to dry. These machines are efficient at removing even the most stubborn grime. So instead of spending hours mopping, you can zip through those floors in a fraction of the time, leaving them spotless and dry, ready for foot traffic almost immediately. And for those dealing with carpeted areas, say hello to the carpet extractor. This tool is your best friend when it comes to deep cleaning carpets. Unlike regular vacuums that only handle surface dirt, a carpet extractor gets deep into the fibers, removing dirt, allergens, and those pesky stains that won't budge. It uses hot water and a powerful cleaning solution to break down dirt, which is then sucked up, leaving your carpets fresh and nearly dry. This is especially important in high-traffic areas where carpets can get dirty fast and need to be back in service quickly. Moving on to surface cleaning, let's talk about microfiber. Whether for wiping down desks and counters or mopping floors, microfiber cloths and mops are the way to go. Why? Because they're incredibly effective at trapping dirt, dust, and bacteria. And here's a pro tip. They work great even without harsh chemicals, so you're saving money and being more eco-friendly at the same time. Plus, they're gentle on surfaces, meaning no scratches or damage to delicate finishes. Keep a variety of microfiber cloths in your toolkit. Trust me, you'll find yourself reaching for them repeatedly. Now, let's address one of the trickiest parts of cleaning, those hard-to-reach spots. High-dust cleaning tools are essential for ceiling fans, light fixtures, and vents. These tools usually have extendable handles and microfiber heads that trap dust instead of just pushing it around. No ladders are needed, which is a time saver and much safer. Just extend, swipe, and you're done. This is especially handy in offices or commercial kitchens where dust can accumulate quickly. In the age of heightened health awareness, disinfectant foggers have become a staple in commercial cleaning. These machines disperse a fine disinfectant mist, covering every nook and cranny. Whether you're sanitizing an office, gym, or classroom, a fogger ensures thorough coverage, killing bacteria and viruses on contact. They're efficient and fast, making them ideal for spaces that need to be sanitized regularly. And the best part? You can cover large areas in just a few minutes, moving on to your next task without missing a beat. Let's face it, bathrooms can make or break your reputation as a cleaner. A sparkling clean bathroom says a lot about your attention to detail. That's why a heavy-duty toilet bowl cleaner is essential. These cleaners typically have angled heads to get under the rim and strong bristles to tackle even the toughest stains. But here's the kicker. You want something ergonomic to clean efficiently without straining yourself. After all, no one wants to spend extra time scrubbing toilets. You'll get the job done faster and more effectively with the right tool. Now let's talk about low-speed buffers. These machines are crucial for maintaining hard floor surfaces, especially in high-traffic areas like lobbies, hallways, and retail spaces. Low-speed buffers are perfect for stripping old wax, buffing out scuffs, and even scrubbing stubborn dirt off hard floors. They operate at a slower RPM than high-speed burnishers, making them ideal for more detailed work that requires control and precision. They leave your floors looking polished and new, and prepare them for the next step in the floor care process, whether waxing or burnishing. Pay attention to the grout and tiles in your bathroom cleaning routine. Dirty grout can make even the cleanest bathrooms look dingy. That's where a specialized grout and tile cleaner comes in. These tools often have stiff brushes and potent cleaning agents that break down dirt and mildew without damaging the tiles. Whether you're dealing with ceramic, porcelain, or stone, having the right cleaner will keep those surfaces looking brand new. And remember, clean grout isn't just about aesthetics, it also prevents mold and bacteria growth, making the space healthier overall. Cleaning windows and glass surfaces can be tricky, but not if you have the right tools. Professional-grade squeegees paired with extension poles are a must for streak-free windows. Whether working on ground-level windows or tackling glass doors, a squeegee ensures a smooth, streak-free finish. The extension poles are handy for those hard-to-reach areas, meaning you can clean high windows without needing a ladder. It's all about efficiency: clean faster, reach higher, and leave every surface crystal clear. Of course, the best squeegee in the world will only do much good with a top-notch glass cleaner. Look for a solution that cuts through grime and grease but evaporates quickly to avoid streaks. Commercial-grade glass cleaners are designed to work fast so that you can do the job in record time. And here's a tip: always use a separate microfiber cloth to polish the glass after using the squeegee. This will ensure you have a perfect, clear finish that your clients will love. A steam cleaner is your go-to tool for dealing with stubborn dirt and grime, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. These machines use high-temperature steam to break down dirt, grease, and bacteria without needing harsh chemicals. Steam cleaners' versatility makes them a must-have. They can be used on floors, countertops, bathroom fixtures, and upholstery. The best part? Steam cleaners clean and sanitize, killing bacteria and germs on contact. They're perfect for deep cleaning areas that require extra attention to hygiene. Speaking of upholstery, an upholstery cleaner is essential to cleaning spaces with fabric furniture. These machines are designed to handle fabric surfaces, removing dirt, stains, and allergens. Whether you're dealing with office chairs, waiting room couches, or other upholstered surfaces, this tool will keep everything looking and smelling fresh. And it's not just about aesthetics. Clean upholstery means a healthier environment, free from dust mites and other allergens that can accumulate over time. A high-pressure washer is indispensable for outdoor areas like walkways, parking lots, and building exteriors. These machines use powerful water jets to blast away dirt, mold, mildew, and even graffiti. They're perfect for maintaining the exterior appearance of commercial properties, which is just as important as keeping the inside clean. A high-pressure washer can save you hours of scrubbing by hand and delivers a thorough clean that will impress even the most discerning clients. And there you have it, folks. 14 must-have tools that will take your commercial cleaning operations to the next level. Investing in these essential pieces of equipment will save time and energy and deliver superior results that will impress your clients and keep them coming back for more. Remember, it's not just about working hard. It's about working smart. If you're interested in specific brands or models of the tools I've mentioned, please get in touch with me. I've used various products over the years, and I'm happy to share what's worked best for me. And hey, here's a little bonus tip for you. If you ever need to do a quick cleanup of a small spot on the carpet, check out the Whitaker stick. It's a handy tool perfect for spot cleaning and can save you time. If you found this video helpful, remember to smash that like button, subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man, and hit the bell icon to take advantage of our expert tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning. Let's make those commercial spaces shine.